Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your post notification so you will be notified anytime I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some dip powder nail design, and I'm going to be doing it on medium length nails. It's been a while since I've done medium length nails. I've been doing short nails for the past 2 to 3 weeks now, so I thought I should switch it up and go back to my medium length nails. So that's what I'm going to be using today. And I did prep my nails and apply my peel off base coat off camera as usual, and now I'm just applying the gel base coat and I cure it in my bigger nail lamp for 30 seconds. So I did pick out my nail sizes off camera, and now I'm just applying it with my gel base coat. So I just place a bit of the gel base coat inside of the full cover nail tip, and then I applied it to my nail and cured it under this mini nail lamp for about 5 to 10 seconds. So with the shorter nails, I used to use the Macart clear polygel because I couldn't grip the nails well enough to apply them with gel base coat, because when I tried to grip them and then try to cure them in this mini nail lamp, it was very difficult to do. Some of the nails, actually most of the nails, came out bent because I couldn't grip it well enough. I had to use the clear polygel in order to keep it in place and then cure it. But with these medium length nails, I could use the gel base coat because I could grip it well enough to apply it in the mini nail lamp and ensure that for the most part it came out straight. So when I'm finished curing this thumbnail for 5 to 10 seconds, I went and cured the nails in my bigger nail lamp for 30 seconds. So this is how the nails are looking. Now I'm just going to be filing the free edge and the sides of the nails a bit. Then I'm going around the cuticle area with my cuticle bit to remove any of the excess gel base coat that may have seeped out. And this cuticle bit is really gentle around the cuticle area. Next, I'm just using my sanding band to remove the shine from all of the nails. For this nail set, I'm going to be using Sugar White from Macart, and I'm also going to be using my finish gel from ProDip. This is a dip powder top coat, however I'm using it as a dip powder base because you can use both the dip powder top coat and the dip powder base as the same thing. Well, I know you could use the dip powder top coat as base. I'm not sure if you could use the dip powder base as top coat, but I hope you'll understand what I mean. So yes, on the ring nail, I'm going to be applying 4 layers of this white dip powder, and this is in real time. So I'm just applying the ProDip base to the ring nail, and then I dip it into the dip powder. And when I dip into the dip powder, I always try to dip at a 45-degree angle, and I always try to tilt the container as well so the nails wouldn't get any smudges. That usually reduces the chances of me getting any smudges on my nail. Now moving on to the pinky nail, I'm just going to be applying some of the powder base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I dip into the white dip powder. So for this nail, I'm going to be just applying about 2 to 3 layers of the white dip powder to mainly 3/4 of the nail, because I'm going to be doing some glitter ombre nails on this nail, so I don't need to carry the white dip powder to the tip of this nail. So I'm going to be doing about 3 layers of that. If you can get away with doing 2 layers, that would be great. But this dip powder, usually it seemed that this dip powder was really good to get on 2 layers, but somehow for this nail set I needed 3 layers, and I think I did 4 layers on the ring nail, and I don't know why when I really needed this dip powder to be opaque on 2 layers, it needed 3 and 4 layers, but it is what it is. So on to the index nail, I'm doing the same thing that I did on the pinky nail. So now I'm just going to apply activator to harden the nails, and this is where things went downhill. So the activator seemed to be a bit dirty, and I applied it to the nail, which made the nails a bit dirty. So when I was filing, I had to file the nails a lot. My intention was never to file the index and the pinky nail, but because the nail was a bit dirty, like the color changed a lot, I needed to file all of the nails, but we'll get to that later on. So I'm just waiting for the nails to harden, and while waiting for the nails to harden, I am going to be using my glitter dip powder from Rebel Nail, which is called Opulent. So I'm just placing some in my dip tray, and I'm going to be applying it to the middle nail. So I applied my dip powder base to the middle nail. and then I laid my finger into the dip powder. So I like to lay my finger into the dip powder if it is a glitter dip powder, because when I pour my glitters on the nails, most times it doesn't get opaque enough, and then I have to apply 3 and 4 layers in order for the nail to be opaque. However, when I lay my finger into the glitter dip powder, the nails are usually opaque on the second layer. That's why I like to lay my finger into glitter dip powders instead of pouring it. So I did 2 layers of the glitter dip powder on the middle nail. And then moving on to the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing the same thing. And when I lay my finger into the glitter dip powder, sometimes the nails become out of shape. So sometimes I like to use my fingers to go around the free edge of the nails and the sides of the nails so that I can get back the shape of the nails a bit. So now that the nails are hardened, I'm just going to be filing the nails, and I had to dim the lights and zoom in so that you all can see a spot there where I filed and how white it is right now and how the rest of the nail is a bit brownish. So yes, that's because the activator seemed to be dirty. I've been using that activator for a while now, so if you all are doing white nails, please ensure that your activator is clean. Just be careful if you're using white dip powder. So I'm just going to be filing all of the nails. Well, I'm going to be filing the index and the pinky nail right now because those nails I need to do the ombre on those nails. I can file the ring nail afterwards. So I'm just filing that to remove the brownish layer that it had on the nail. So I did remove all of the dirty layer. Should I say the dirty layer? I don't know how to explain it, but I did remove the layer that I didn't like from the white nails. So the nails are white enough now. So now I am using my Macart gel base coat and I applied a layer to the pinky nail. And then I dipped the tip of the pinky nail into the opulent glitter, and then I'm just going to be sprinkling the glitter on the tip of the nail as well to create my glitter ombre nail. And then I'm using an orange wood stick just to move about the glitters so that the ombre would look a little more like an ombre, because sometimes when you are doing the tap method ombre, sometimes the glitters wouldn't lay where you want it to lay. So that's why I like to use gel base coat, because you can manipulate where you want your glitters to be. And then I'm just cleaning the sides and the free edge of the nail just to maintain the shape as much as possible. and then I cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be doing another layer. So I decided to do the index nail before curing the pinky nail because I do not like to have my hand in the lamp too often. So instead of curing the pinky nail and then doing the index nail, I decided to do the index nail before I cure all of the nails. So I applied the gel base coat and then I tried to dip my tip into the dip powder, the glitter dip powder. I don't know what I was thinking, but I did some nonsense and I had to remove it because it didn't turn out too well. So yes, I removed it and tried something, and then I cured that for 30 seconds, and now I'm doing my second layer. And then I cured for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to be using some snowflakes on the nails. So I applied a bead of the gel base coat and then I stuck a glitter snowflake on the middle nail. I'm going to be sticking about 3 glitter snowflakes on the nail. So initially I wanted to apply some of the glitter snowflakes to the index and the pinky nail, but I thought that was a bit too much. So I decided not to do them, and I also did apply the snowflakes to the thumbnail and cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be encapsulating the nails with my IBD hard gel. This is the best way to encapsulate glitter nails because it ensures that the glitters shine when you encapsulate it. Usually when I use my clear dip powder to encapsulate glitter nails, sometimes it becomes a bit matte sometimes, but there are times where it is shiny, but it is never as shiny as hard gels. So that's why I like to use hard gels, because I think it is the clearest at encapsulating nails, especially glitter nails, because I wanted my glitter nails to be really shiny. So that's why I'm using my IBD hard gel, and I had to cure each nail for 30 seconds because these hard gels are very liquidy, so you cannot do each nail and then cure it. You have to cure each nail at a time because they run a lot and they would go on your cuticles and all these things. So I had to cure each nail for about 20 seconds, and when I'm finished with all of the nails, I cured for 30 seconds. Then I'm just using some rubbing alcohol to remove the tacky layer, and then I filed off camera. So this is after filing of the nails, and filing was a bit challenging for me this time around, and I don't know if my filing is looking really good. So let me know what you guys think about my filing, if I need to do better, because something about it isn't giving. For me, it's just not giving. I don't know what it is, but my filing wasn't all that. So anyway, I'm just using my Madame Glam matte top coat, and I'm top coating the ring nail. Then I cured for 30 seconds. Then I'm using my Nail Addict white gel polish, so I applied some to my nail palette, and I'm going to be doing a sweater nail. So I'm just going to be doing the drawing. However, I started off really bad right here. I was not supposed to start with drawing the line, but let's keep going. I will eventually realize my mistake and remove it, but I'll just let you guys watch what I'm doing, and I'll be back shortly. Drawing these lines are very challenging because I was trying my best to maintain straight lines throughout the nails, and that proved to be very difficult to do. But the nail came out really good regardless of that. But my hands are really shaky, so I can do nothing about that. However, I do think this sweater nail looks really good. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have reached this far in the video. This really helps your channel when you do that. So make sure and like, comment, and subscribe. So before curing, I'm just going to be pouring some of the Macarte Sugar White dip powder on the nail, and then I cured for 30 seconds. So this is how the nail is looking, and I think it looks really good. I did dim the lights a bit so that y'all can see how it looks, and let me know if my lighting is too bright. I only realized that y'all can really see it much at this point right here, which is kind of too late. But let me know what you guys think about my lighting as well, if it's too bright or if this one right here is really good. So let me know if you all like the lighting from the introduction to like 20 minutes of the video, or if you all like it from here to the end of the video, because I have been meaning to ask that question as well, if you all like the lighting, because the first part of the video the lighting is kind of bright, but I think it looks good. But y'all are the viewers, so let me know what you guys think about it. This lighting is okay right now, but you know, I don't know. Tell me what you all think. So I am using my Revel nail gel top coat to top coat the rest of the nails, and then I cured in my lamp for 30 seconds. So this is how the nails are looking, and now I'm just applying my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So this is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you guys think about my sweater nail and glitter ombre nails. I think this nail set is perfect for the winter and Christmas holidays. So let me know what you guys think about it. Although I had some challenges because my filing, I don't think it's really that good for this nail set, but I think regardless of that, this is a beginner friendly nail set and anyone can do it, and it still looks good. I can see my faults, but I think the nails still look good. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.